Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to show a story to your friends in TikTok. If you want to share your story exclusively with your close friends and create a more intimate connection, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open TikTok on your device. Launch the app and make sure you're logged into your TikTok account. Step 2. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your profile page where you can manage and view your TikTok content. Step 3. Scroll down to the bottom of the list and locate your story from the viewed items. Stories are temporary posts that you can share with your friends, and they appear at the top of your profile page. Step 4. Tap on the 3 dots menu icon located at the bottom right corner of your story. This will open a menu with various options related to your story. Step 5. From the menu, tap on Settings. This will take you to the settings page specific to your story, where you can customize the visibility and privacy settings. Step 6. Tap on Friends from the Who Can See This Post section. By selecting this option, you ensure that only your friends can view your story, creating a more personal and exclusive experience for them. By following these simple steps, you can easily show a story to your friends in TikTok, allowing you to connect and share moments with your close circle. Thank you for watching and enjoy sharing your stories with your friends.